Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome to a new backdrop, welcome to a new hair, and welcome to a new set of lips. I'm just kidding y'all, the lips aren't new. Ain't nobody got funds for that. So, today I wanted to talk to you guys about what is going on with my hormones. Girl, let me just start by saying I have been on hormones, a full dose of hormones, for about 5 years. So that means really in that time span, for the majority of that time span, there is not a lot of like messing with the dose. Like you find your dose and then you stick with it. So I am not used to going up on doses, changing doses. Like I have my dose and I stick with it. It's 2 estrogen pills and 2 anti-testosterone pills. Bless my little heart, I can't remember what they're called, but you trans girls out there, you know what I'm talking about. I go to the doctor like 6 months ago, and every time I see her, we run blood tests because she thinks I'm doing meth or some other shit. And in the blood tests, they look at like the levels of estrogen and all of that stuff just to make sure shit like this doesn't happen. But in the levels this time, so she looks at me and she's like, girl, and I'm like, girl, and she's like, your estrogen is really low. And I was like, what, bitch? If there's anything a trans girl does not want to hear, is that her estrogen is running low. That ain't it. That ain't it. So I'm like, hun, what's going on? And now keep in mind, this is also the clinician that told me I was borderline clinically obese. And so I'm like, can I trust this bitch? Is she trying to sabotage me? Is she railroading me? She showed me the numbers. My estrogen was lower than it was the last time, and it was out of the range of like whatever range they wanted me to be in. And they gave me like a bunch of different reasons as to why this could have happened. And I'm just like, girl, like, I'm detransitioning at that point. Like I literally felt like I was detransitioning. And in that time frame, I had felt like a lot of like changes. Like it was almost like I almost felt like I had been detransitioning. And it was super weird. Like not fully, but like a little bit. Like not fully detransitioning, but like enough to like feel some of those male, like I don't even know how to describe it, but like just some of the male coming back. And I didn't know what that was about, and I didn't know who to really like talk to, or even if I should talk to anyone about it. But that would kind of explain it. And so she was like, we're gonna increase the estrogen. And I was like, bitch, yeah, like do that. Like that's awesome. Like I'm gonna grow huge boobs. And part of that came true. Like my boobs have gotten bigger, and so like that's great. So I don't know if any other girls out there are on 3 tablets of estrogen. But girls, I can tell you what, 3 tablets of estrogen is a great way to gain a ton of weight, okay? So if you're trying to gain weight, take estrogen. Because girl, like, bless my heart for even trying to put on makeup and trying to look cute, because I feel like a whale. I mean, I literally just feel disgusting. And that's real. Like I think now I'm on like estrogen overload, and so I have to go back and I have to talk to her about like where my levels are at now. But I'm like, this is crazy. Like this is literally crazy. My boobs have gotten huge, like huge. My butt's getting huge. And my stomach is huge. I mean, it literally looks like I'm like carrying a child. It literally looks like I'm like carrying a child. And so I'm like, this isn't normal. This isn't normal for me or my body. And I'm like, this needs to change. And so I'm like, I think I would rather be detransitioning than like have this happen, because this is a lot. And so I'm hoping I don't have to choose between this and detransitioning, because girl, I don't know, she might detransition. Like, I can't keep like gaining weight like this. And I know it's not just like the estrogen's fault that I'm gaining weight. Like I'm making choices that are like conducive to gaining weight, let's be honest. She eats a lot. Like, let's be honest, like she eats a lot. So that's like a real thing. I have an appointment to follow up with my doctor to kind of talk about where my numbers are at now, what changes I've experienced, and like, girl, she's not gonna like the weight I'm at, so she's probably just gonna recommend going down anyways, because she is like all about the weight. Like, I don't know if in her profession she sees a lot of trans women gain weight, but she is on me, and I'd imagine she's on other people too. Like, I'm just waiting to kind of like follow up with her at this point and kind of see what she says. But I'm anxious. I don't want to keep gaining weight. I feel like I'm just in this like downward spiral of like significant weight gain and like nastiness, but I also don't necessarily want to like have estrogen levels so low where like I'm literally detransitioning. So I'm kind of in a peculiar situation, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I do know I have to make some changes, so we'll see what that looks like. So that's really it for this video, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that was like everywhere. I am so distracted with this new setup. I swear to God, I'm gonna get used to it, I promise. But it is so distracting. I wish y'all could see it. I guess you could see it, but maybe in another video. So thank you guys for watching. If anyone has any advice or like thoughts, let me know in the comments, because honey, we need all the thoughts and prayers we can get, to be honest. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do what you need to do. And I will be making another video shortly. I know I took like a little bit of a week off, but I'm back and better than ever. I've been very ill. You can still hear it in my voice, but I'm back. So please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys shortly.